Can openers fail catastrophically, exploding with the force of 1 billion nuclear bombs in a split second? In a surprising twist, can openers are not just a simple kitchen gadget. Their seemingly innocuous design belies a complex mechanism that's prone to catastrophic failure. When a can opener fails, it can shatter into 1,000 pieces, injuring anyone nearby. Imagine having to explain to your insurance company why you need to replace your entire kitchen. For centuries, humans have been using can openers to access their food, but their design has remained largely unchanged. That is, until the introduction of the automatic can opener in the 1920s, which revolutionized food preparation. But did you know that the first can opener was invented in 1810 by a British merchant named Peter Durand? It was a simple, handheld device that used a sharp cutting wheel to pierce the top of a tin can. Fast forward to the 1950s, when the first electric can opener was introduced, making it easier and faster to open cans. But despite these advancements, can openers are still prone to failure, often due to user error or manufacturing defects. Especially if you're working in a kitchen, what happens when a can opener fails? When a can opener fails, it can shatter into 1,000 pieces, injuring anyone nearby. The resulting debris can be a real hazard, especially if you're working in a kitchen. In this video, we'll explore the mechanics of can opener failure and show you how to repair a broken can opener. We'll start by taking a closer look at the inner workings of a can opener. As you can see, the cutting wheel is attached to a small motor that rotates at high speed. When the motor is turned on, the cutting wheel begins to rotate at an incredible 3,000 revolutions per minute. But what happens when the motor fails? When the motor fails, the cutting wheel can become stuck, causing the can opener to shatter. This is often due to a faulty gear or a malfunctioning motor. In some cases, the cutting wheel can even shatter into 1,000 pieces, making it difficult to clean up. But don't worry, we'll show you how to repair a broken can opener and prevent this type of failure. To fix a broken can opener, you'll need a few simple tools and some basic mechanical knowledge. First, you'll need to disassemble the can opener and inspect the cutting wheel and motor. If the cutting wheel is damaged, you may need to replace it entirely. In some cases, the motor may need to be replaced as well. Once you've identified the problem, you can begin the repair process. To do this, you'll need to remove the cutting wheel and inspect the motor for any signs of damage. If the motor is damaged, you may need to replace it with a new one. Once you've replaced the motor, you can reassemble the can opener and test it out. If everything is working properly, you should be able to open cans with ease. But what if you're not comfortable with DIY repairs? In that case, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic or the manufacturer's customer support. They can provide you with more detailed instructions and help you troubleshoot any issues. So there you have it, a simple guide to repairing a broken can opener. By following these steps, you can prevent can opener failure and keep your kitchen safe. And if you're interested in learning more about DIY repairs and home fixes, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and comment below with any questions or suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.